Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another CFAT Canadian Forces Aptitude Test Practice Test. Questions with answers and problem solving. So in this video, I'm gonna answer 5 questions and I will explain the answers using grade 10 math in the simplest way possible. Okay, without further ado, proceeding right away with number 1. The total number of people in a certain Halifax class frigate is 240. If the number of non-commissioned members are 15 times more than the number of officers, find how many officers on board the ship. So it's pretty straightforward question. The choices are the following, and the correct answer is 15. So to solve this, we need to use some algebra here. So we let x as the number of officers and n is the number of non-commissioned members. So then we need to formulate 2 equations. Equation 1 would be x plus n is equal to 240, because the total would be the number of officers and the number of non-commissioned members. So x plus n is equal to 240. 240 we are given right here. Okay, and then the second equation is n is equal to 15x, because we are also given that the number of non-commissioned members is 15 times more than the number of officers. So that's why we have this equation, n is equal to 15x. And now we substitute the value of n in equation 2 to equation 1. So then we get x plus n is equal to 240, substituting the value of n, which is 15x. So we got x plus 15x is equal to 240. X plus 15x is equal to 16x is equal to 240. And then now we solve for x. We get 240 divided by 16. And then we get x is equal to 15 officers, which is choice letter D. Okay, number 2. 6 Army cadets received 60 puppies to sell to raise funds for veterans. They received an additional 60% of what they were originally given. They gave 12 puppies to a group of Navy cadets. If the Army cadets were to split the total puppies, how much would each one get? Okay, another interesting question. The choices are the following here, and 14 is the correct answer. So solution, step number 1 is to find out the total puppies of the Army cadets. So we're given the original number of puppies given to the Army cadets, which is 60, and then we were told that they were given a 60% additional right there, and that they also gave 12 puppies to a group of Navy cadets. So then solving for the additional, we get 60% times 60, we get 36. And then they gave 12 to Navy cadets, so then we find the total, The total is 60 plus 36 minus 12. And then we get the total as 84. So then the step number 2 is to divide the total by 6, because there are 6 Army cadets that are sharing the 84 puppies. So then we get 84 divided by 6 is equal to 14 puppies each. So that's why it's letter B. Okay, moving on to number 3. Aidan bought a refurbished iPhone with a 40% discount. He paid $498. What is the price of the iPhone without discount? Okay, it's a very interesting question. Buying an iPhone with a discount. So then we got the choices here. And letter C, 1245 is the correct answer. I'll show you the solution. So we need to determine our given. We're given 40% discount rate, and $498 is the discounted price of the phone. Solution: the formula to calculate for the undiscounted price, which is what is in question, is equal to the discounted price divided by the discount rate. So we just substitute the given. The undiscounted price is equal to $498, which is the discounted price. This is what Aidan bought for his iPhone, divided by the discount rate, which is 40%. So we got $498 divided by 0.4 is equal to $1,245. So right there, which is a letter C is the correct answer. Okay, moving on to number 4. What is the missing number in the sequence? 240, 96, blank, 15.36. So here are your choices, and the correct answer is letter A, 38.4. And the solution is below. Solution is to divide by 2.5. So we get 240 divided by 2.5 is equal to 96, which is the second number. Then to get the third number is 96 divided by 2.5, we get 38.4. And then to get the fourth number, we divide 38.4 divided by 2.5, we get 15.36. But the unknown is the third number in the sequence, which is 38.4, and that's the solution right there. Okay, last but not the least question, another series or sequence question. Find the missing number in the sequence. 1, 2, 5, blank, 677. Correct number is 26, letter A. And I will show you exactly how I arrived at the solution. So the key to this solution is square, then add 1. So the first number is 1. We square it. 1 squared is equal to 1. And then we add 1, we get 2. Right there. Then the next number, we square 2. 2 squared is equal to 4 plus 1, we get 5. There it is. And then to get the third number, we square 5. 5 squared is equal to 25 plus 1 is equal to 26, which is the missing number here. And then if we continue the series, we get 26, we square 26, we get 676, and then we add 1, we get 677 right there. So the correct answer is 26, letter A. Alright, this is it for this video. I hope you found something useful in this video, and I wish you all the best in your CFAT test and in your future career with the Canadian Armed Forces. Okay, cheers, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.